as part of the business plan review, I'd start out and go through the vision, the strategy, and the plan, and the summary of the status of all the performance measures of all of the stakeholders. And then every member of the team would go through their contribution to the overall group's plan, vision and strategy and plan, and they have it color coded. And what the first thing they would do when they presented their part was to go through what was going on in the world in their area of responsibility. They only use one chart, and they'd show what was going on in engineering, manufacturing, procurement, HR, government community relationships, everything that you can, every discipline that was on the team. I had 15 people that were on my team. And so they'd go through all of the things that were going on and that were things that were changing that we'd all look at and decide whether it was positive or it was negative. If it was positive, then we all worked to take those positive things and enhance our vision and our strategy even further.
Okay.
And if it was a negative thing, then we would work together to do whatever it took to negate that, and so that we didn't have that as an issue. So the wonderful thing about this system is, and you're doing this every week. So I know this sounds funny, but for 47 years, we were never surprised about what was going on in the world. When you have all those disciplines that are looking at everything that's going on in their discipline and sharing that with everybody, then just the things that you mentioned, it's all talked about.
Mm-hmm.
That's how we decided early on that we're getting to the place with digital technology that we used to make drawings for all of those 4 million parts. Can you imagine? And then we tried to simulate the airplane or make it up with 4 million parts. Unbelievable. Well, we watched the technology and then we decided now's the time. We defined all 4 million parts digitally. We put them all together digitally. We removed our mockups and we created the most accurate, easy to assemble, reduced the cost of that by over 50%. Because we could actually accurately define, assemble these airplanes. And so this working together links you to the whole world and everything that's going on so that you can continue to enhance your business and your service.